Good morning, friends. Happy Wednesday. I hope that you guys had a great day yesterday. Today on the agenda, we have for reading, we just want you to read for 20 minutes. I also want you to go ahead and listen to the Rhino in Right Field. And if you have something to share, share it on our Flipgrid. We're ending Rhino in Right Field soon, so I can't wait to hear what you guys think of it. In writing, today is the day I want you guys to start working on publishing. If possible, I'd like for it to be published by Friday. If you need through the weekend, that's not a huge deal, but if you can get it to me by Friday, that would be ideal. If you're able to type it, I would like for you to type it and then just email it to me. If you're not able to type it, that's not a big deal, but I would like to read what you wrote. So if you could then just write it in your neatest handwriting and maybe take some pictures and send those to me so I can still read your story. Take out that checklist if you need to. If you need another copy of it, let me know. But take out your narrative writing checklist as you're publishing before you submit it, just to make sure that it's what you want to submit to me. For math, I posted the answers to the fruit salad recipe activities for Monday, and then another little activity for you to do with that same fruit salad recipe. If I put on the blog, but if you want to challenge yourself, I want for you to make as many or use the ingredients for as many people that are in your family. You'll understand what I mean when you see the activity. But right now it's telling you to double the ingredients. Right now, if you want to challenge yourself, go ahead and make enough for the number of people that live in your house. That's a challenge if you want to. You definitely don't have to. If you want to just double, I'm cool with that too. If you think about what your level of comfortability is, no matter what, you're still getting the same practice. You're just for fun about the last letter added to the alphabet. It's actually the letter J. And the little hint is that the letter I obviously has, lowercase I has the little dot on top, and the hint is that the letter J, lowercase j, has that little dot on top too. So that was the hint that went along with it. Read today's, see if you can find out today's, and you'll find out the answer tomorrow. Have a great day today, and I'll see you guys soon. Let me know if you need anything on Teams. Love you guys.